Hey there, science fans! Today we're diving into the incredible world of anatomy and physiology, the study of what our bodies are made of and how they work. Anatomy is like exploring a map of the human body, learning about all the different parts and where they're located. Physiology is like reading the travel guide, understanding how each part functions and interacts with others. It's like having X-ray vision and a superpower to see everything in action. Think about it. Your heart beats about 100,000 times a day, pumping blood through thousands of miles of blood vessels. Your lungs take in about 20,000 breaths a day, supplying your body with the oxygen it needs. And your brain, it's constantly firing off electrical impulses, controlling your thoughts, movements, and even your dreams. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey through the amazing landscape of your own body. Get ready for some mind-blowing facts and fascinating discoveries. It's time to appreciate the wonder that is you. Prepare to be amazed. Your body is a complex and incredible machine capable of truly remarkable feats. Did you know that if you stretched out all the DNA in your body, it could reach to the sun and back over 600 times? That's a lot of genetic information. And speaking of impressive lengths, your small intestine is about 20 feet long. That's like having a garden hose coiled up inside you. It needs all that surface area to absorb nutrients from the food you eat. But wait, there's more. You produce about 1 liter of saliva every day, enough to fill a whole bottle of water. That saliva is essential for breaking down your food and keeping your mouth healthy. These are just a few examples of the amazing things your body does every single day without you even realizing it. It's a symphony of systems working together in perfect harmony to keep you alive and kicking. The study of anatomy and physiology has a long and fascinating history, and let's be honest, it's a little creepy too. In the early days, folks like Galen, a Greek physician, learned about the body by dissecting animals, not humans. Can you imagine trying to figure out how we work from dissecting a pig? Then came Leonardo da Vinci, the Renaissance man himself. He was a master artist, inventor, and yes, even an anatomist. He dissected human bodies in secret, making incredibly detailed drawings of what he saw. But back then, dissecting humans was taboo in many cultures, so some anatomists resorted to grave robbing to get their hands on bodies to study. Yikes, thankfully things have changed a lot since then. In 1832, the Anatomy Act was passed in Britain, providing medical schools with donated bodies of people who died in prison. Today, we rely on the generosity of individuals who donate their bodies to science. A truly selfless act. Thanks to them, future doctors and scientists can continue to unravel the mysteries of the human body. One of the most important principles in anatomy and physiology is the idea of complementarity of structure and function. Simply put, this means that the way something is shaped and put together is directly related to how it works. It's like a key fitting into a lock. The shape of the key determines its function. Take your bones, for example. They're strong and rigid, providing the framework and support your body needs to stand upright and move. And what about your heart? It has 4 chambers and valves that work together to ensure blood flows in the right direction, preventing it from flowing backward. Think of your lungs. They're like giant sponges, with millions of tiny air sacs that increase their surface area, allowing for maximum oxygen absorption. Amazing, right? This principle applies to every single part of your body, from the largest organ to the smallest cell. Structure and function go hand in hand, a beautiful partnership that makes life possible. Section 5, Building Blocks of Life from Cells to You. Your body is like a giant puzzle made up of trillions of tiny pieces all working together. The smallest of these pieces are called cells, the basic units of life. Cells are like tiny factories, each with its own specific job to do. When similar cells team up, they form tissues like your muscles, bones, or skin. Each tissue has a unique structure and function, but they don't work in isolation. Different tissues combine to form organs, like your heart, lungs, or stomach. Organs are like specialized departments within your body, each with a specific role to play in keeping you alive and well. And finally, groups of organs work together in organ systems like the digestive system, the nervous system, or the circulatory system. It's like a well-coordinated team, with each player contributing to the overall success of the team. All these levels of organization, from cells to organ systems, work together seamlessly, making you the incredible being that you are. Section 6, homeostasis, your body's balancing act. Imagine your body as a tightrope walker, constantly making adjustments to stay balanced and upright. That's what homeostasis is all about, maintaining a stable internal environment, even when the world around you is in constant flux. Your body temperature, for example, needs to stay within a narrow range for your cells to function properly. When you get too hot, your body sweats to cool you down. When you're cold, you shiver to generate heat. But homeostasis is about more than just temperature regulation. It's also about maintaining the right balance of fluids, electrolytes, and nutrients in your body. It's about keeping your blood sugar levels in check and ensuring your cells have a constant supply of oxygen. It's a delicate balancing act, but it's essential for your survival. When homeostasis is disrupted, it can lead to illness or even death. So the next time you're feeling healthy and balanced, thank your incredible body for its amazing ability to maintain homeostasis. Section 7. Speaking the language of anatomy. Just like any other field of science, anatomy has its own special language. To understand how your body works, it's helpful to know some basic anatomical terms. Think of your body standing upright, facing forward, with your arms at your sides and your palms facing forward. That's called the anatomical position, and it's the starting point for describing the location of body parts. We also use directional terms to describe the relative positions of different structures. For example, superior means above, while inferior means below. Anterior means towards the front, while posterior means towards the back. And to make things even more specific, we use planes to divide the body into different sections. The sagittal plane divides the body into left and right halves. The coronal plane divides the body into front and back halves, and the transverse plane divides the body into upper and lower halves. Learning these basic terms will help you navigate the amazing world of anatomy and better understand how your body is put together. Section 8. The importance of understanding our bodies. So why should we care about anatomy and physiology? Why is it important to understand how our bodies work? Well, for starters, it helps us appreciate the incredible complexity and resilience of the human machine. It's a reminder that we are more than just the sum of our parts. We are intricate and interconnected systems, all working together to keep us alive and thriving. Understanding anatomy and physiology is also essential for maintaining our health. When we know how our bodies work, we can make informed decisions about our diet, exercise, and overall lifestyle. We can take steps to prevent disease and injury, and we can be more proactive about our healthcare. And let's not forget about the role of anatomy and physiology in medicine. Doctors, nurses, and other healthcare professionals rely on their knowledge of the human body to diagnose and treat illnesses, perform surgeries, and develop new life-saving treatments. In short, understanding anatomy and physiology is essential for living a long, healthy, and fulfilling life. Section 9. Conclusion. The never-ending journey of discovery. As we've explored in this journey through the human body, anatomy and physiology are fascinating and complex fields of study. From the intricate workings of our cells to the coordinated efforts of our organ systems, our bodies are a testament to the power of nature and the wonders of evolution. But even with all that we've learned, there's still so much more to discover. New technologies and research methods are constantly emerging, allowing us to delve deeper into the mysteries of the human body and unlock new secrets about how we work. So keep asking questions, keep exploring, and never lose your sense of wonder. The human body is a remarkable and endlessly fascinating creation, and the journey of discovery is just beginning.